Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How to be single, a 5-step guide. Learn to love yourself. Don't go out looking for a relationship. Spend quality time with good friends. Most of the movie, How to Be Single, was about the friendship built between the two female leads when they started working together. Don't compare people to others. Have fun and enjoy your time by yourself.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Research suggests that unmarried people tend to be healthier than their married counterparts. And perennially single men, for their part, were less likely to suffer from heart disease than those with any other marital status, research published in the Journal of Marriage and Family found.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Being single is a sign that you're good at being alone, and there aren't many people in this big world that can say that about themselves. It's not about being alone, it's also knowing how much you have to give to another human being, because being in a relationship does mean that you have to compromise some things.
Take our lead.
Being single and happy seems like the only viable option for someone who's looking for love and is not finding it. In order to truly become happily single, Dr. Tate suggests practicing mindfulness. So much of happiness has to do with living in the present moment, she says.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
If someone wants to know if they are meant to be single, they would need to regularly envision themselves in the future, he advises. If they see themselves being single and focusing outside of relationships, perpetual singularity might be for them. This is a real thing, and it is totally acceptable.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.